Today we're camping in the Pocono Mountains.
So last night we got in around, what, like 8:30?
8:30 or 9, something like that.
No, I think it was like 8:30.
It's getting dark already. Didn't have much time to really do a vlog. Just had to put the tent up and go to sleep, really.
So we put the tent up and we had a couple issues.
Tent's broken. Poles are snapped, so that's a problem. It looks kind of weird, but you know, it works, gets the job done.
So here's our tent. It's a 6-person tent, but obviously it's just the 2 of us. So we have a queen size air mattress right here. And it's a little low on air right now because the air didn't quite last the whole night for some reason. We're gonna try and fix that for tomorrow night, but we also forgot the air pump, so we had to blow it up by mouth, which took us like a good hour taking turns. And then we just have, there's a door here and a door on the other side, and then we just have our camera bag, clothes, supplies like that, jug of water, all sorts of stuff. But yeah, it's a little broken on the top, so we're just kind of hoping, you know, it stays together. And it stayed the first night, so I think it should be good for the second night. So last night we were sitting here and I was joking. I was like, well, I wasn't joking. I was like, what if
We should have looked for trees
up.
above.
When we were setting up our tent, we only like looked down and like looked to see if there were rocks and twigs and stuff on the ground, like look for kind of flat space. But I was like, we forgot to look up. That's like one of the things you're supposed to do when you're camping.
Dead branches and such.
Yeah, for widowmakers.
We're pretty rusty. We're not very good at this.
Yeah, we haven't gone camping since like Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts. So I was saying like, we didn't even check for widowmakers. And then literally like what, 10-15 minutes later, we hear like,
thud.
We're like, what was that? And so then we went outside and we checked, and this like, how big was it?
Like 4 feet long, probably. Yeah, 5 feet long.
This big branch had fallen literally like on the rain tarp underneath our tent, so like so close.
Yeah.
So then we like scooched the bed down a little further the other way.
There's a big dead tree outside that's not looking so good. We might have to move the tent for tomorrow night to feel safer.
I think we might move the tent a little bit.
There's a big dead tree. So
the problem is that Pennsylvania is really rocky, the ground, so trying to find a place that's like not too rocky, kind of flat, and has no branches, I think it would be a little bit of a struggle.
Tough.
Alright, we're gonna go make breakfast now? Are we gonna make breakfast now?
Yeah. Hopefully.
And we'll see about that. We also forgot some cooking supplies, so we'll see. Okay, so we're gonna have some cheese, some turkey bacon, and eggs on some bread. So we've just got the eggs in here, and we're gonna cook them in this pan. And then over here we have the bacon's in there. We're just waiting for the fire to die down a little bit more. And then we're gonna cook it all up for breakfast. Anyways, I'm just gonna make us some sandwich. So I'm having turkey and Nick is having roast beef sandwiches. So I'm gonna make them at the same time we're making breakfast, because then they'll be ready for the day. So we were cooking our turkey bacon and it caught on.
Oh, there's some left.
It caught on fire.
Nice.
It's a bit burnt.
So breakfast has been an adventure. We've tried to cook bacon. We started with 10. We finished with 2 cooked pieces. That our two pieces of bacon are on these 2 sandwiches here. It's a victory.
Now we're trying to do
some of them fell in the fire, burned. What happened to them? I don't even remember. They all burned in the fire when the tinfoil caught on fire.
So we're gonna try and poach some eggs.
We're poaching eggs now because I feel like that'd be an easier way to do it. So we'll let you know how that goes. I'm optimistic, sort of.
So this is the results of our our breakfast sandwich. We've poached some eggs. We had a little accident with this one. And this one we thought was really bad, but look.
Pretty good.
It just came away from the whites for some reason. So we are going to eat these and then we're gonna go explore for the day, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright guys, so we've gone exploring. What is this place called?
Sullivan Falls.
Alright, so we're at Sullivan Falls. We had to drive down this long dirt
Gravel
road into a this dirt parking lot. We're the only ones here. It's really cool. Let's check it out.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 won't you let the light shine through?
We're at Ricketts Glen State Park, which is just right next to the state game lands where that waterfall is. And Ricketts Glen is also really famous for its waterfalls, and we did this big loop, this trail, where we hiked and saw all the waterfalls except for 3. I think we saw about 18 waterfalls. So they were really cool. In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand. Alright, we just got a fire going, which I am currently tending to. And we're going to try to use this fire, hopefully, to cook dinner. Hopefully that goes well. If not, we never ate our sandwiches, so that's always there for a backup plan. So we will let you know how that goes.
Alright, so we're attempting dinner now. We're gonna make, well, this is dessert. We're gonna have some cookies over the fire, and then we're gonna have, for dinner, we're gonna have some potatoes, and back there's some chicken. So we've got the fire going. We're just waiting for it to die down a little bit this time, and then we have a grill to put on top of it, and we'll see how it goes. Our dinner cooking here. We've just got our potatoes. They're supposed to be boiling, but they're not yet. We bought a grill rack. Yeah, we had to buy this grill rack. We forgot ours. And there's our chickens going at it. We'll let you know how it goes. It's probably going to be too dark to film, but we'll let you know if this worked out better than breakfast.
Yeah, hopefully.
Here's our dinner. We just have chicken and some mashed potatoes and cookies. I actually think, what do you think, babe? It turned out pretty good.
It's pretty good, yeah.
So we're starving because it's like, what, like 10 now?
Couldn't tell you. Pretty late.
We've been cooking since like, what, 8?
8, yeah, something like that. Got pretty dark.
We're still working on it, so we're going to eat this.
Yeah. Catch you later.
So it's our last day. Oh my gosh, there's so many gnats today. We have to be checked out by 11. It is 9:48. So we're going to pack up all our stuff, change, pack up the tent, wash some dishes from last night's dinner, all the good stuff, and then we're gonna be on our way. I don't know if are we gonna do anything on the way home? Or we just gonna...
Probably not.
Okay. We're like taking down the tent, so we took off the rain fly, like we took that all off. And I just thought it was really funny because now you can see what we were talking about before, like back there, like how messed up the tent is. So like one of these poles here is broken at this point, so it doesn't curve, it just it kind of sticks up. It's so funny looking. So we're heading out right now. It's just about 11. So we're on our way out. We just stopped at the dumpsters to put the trash away, and now we're on our way home. It's about 2.5 hours.
2.5 hour drive roughly.
So we've got a bit of a trip ahead of us. But we had a really great time on this trip.
Yep.
Definitely trying to return to the area, and maybe not necessarily Ricketts GLEN State Park or this exact campground. But definitely to that first waterfall that we went to. We want to try and go there.
We go swimming.
Yeah, so maybe like later this summer it'll be warmer. That's what we're hoping at least.
Yeah, hopefully.
So we're thinking maybe if, fingers crossed, if COVID-19's a little bit died down, then maybe we can bring some other friends and we can go swimming at that first waterfall, because that would be a lot of fun. But yeah, I think we're gonna get on the road now. Anything else?
No, I don't think so.
Alright, see ya. Hey guys, editing Nick and Isabella here.
We were going through our videos, editing, and we decided that since we hadn't camped in such a long time, we should probably give ourselves some grades from how well we remembered what we learned from Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts. So as the fade out's going, you're going to see our grades scroll by. So I hope you enjoy that, and I hope we see you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching.